The water station can fill a 20-ounce bottle in 1 minute. So 20-ounce bottle to 1 minute. We have 20 ounces to 1 minute. If this represents a proportional relationship, how much time will it take to fill an 8-ounce bottle? So an 8-ounce bottle is what we're also comparing it to. So we have 8 ounce. Now if you'll note, there's nothing we can do to 20 to turn it into 8. So we're going to simplify. So we're going to write this again, 20 ounces. But instead of 1 minute, we're going to do 60 seconds. So now we know we can simplify the top and the bottom by the same thing. So dividing by 20, 20 divided by 20 is 1 ounce. 60 divided by 20 is 3 seconds. So 8 ounces can be equivalent to 1 ounce to 3 seconds. So to find this, we know that 1 times 3 equals 8. So 1 times 8 equals 8. So 8 times 3 equals 24 seconds. So D is our answer.